There we go.
No! Okay, I better not sneeze this stuff. Okay.
We need a wider top on our slide.
Yeah, we do. Oh, no, no, no! I can't get up.
Try again.
That was so weird.
Do you want to go help her?
No.
No. Hi, Rex. Go away. There you go.
Okay, no, 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 no! That's what struck me.